So boom, boom, boom there. Hey guys, I'm Roxette Arisa and you're watching This Week in Beauty with IPSY. Another look we've recently seen trending is fresh AF skin with a bright, bold lip. So fresh, expensive skin is always in fashion, but the best thing about expensive looking skin is that it doesn't always have to cost a fortune. So we have quite a few Glam bag products this month that are gonna give you that smooth, glowing complexion without breaking the bank. First off, we have the Creme Shop Let It Glow Sheet Mask. So sheet masks in general are amazing for hydrating, rejuvenating, and clarifying the skin. This one is the Let It Glow Snowman Ultra Moisturizing Jojoba Oil Sheet Mask, and it's really gonna help protect your skin from harsh winter weather, especially if you have dry or sensitive skin. I would highly recommend this one because it's actually infused with jojoba oil. So this hydrating sheet mask is just gonna give you that glow that you always want, and it's in our December Glam bag, so boom, boom, boom there. If you watch my channel, you know I am a face mask fanatic. My best tip or hack for sheet masks is actually to take the excess serum, because there is a lot of excess in here. Once you already have the sheet mask on your face, you can use the serum on your neck or even décolletage to really get the hydration and the moisturizing properties all over. Then we have an amazing moisturizer slash SPF from Estee Lauder. So this is the Estee Lauder Revitalizing Supreme Plus Global Anti-Aging Cell Power Cream. You can actually use this in the morning or at night, so it's like your perfect all day, everyday night cream or day cream. This guy is gonna increase the firmness and tone of your face's skin. It's not gonna clog your pores, but it's still very deeply nourishing, and it is available on IPSY Shopper. And one thing that I always look for in moisturizer is that I want something to have a lightweight texture, because that is what is not gonna have it clog your pores. And when your pores get clogged, at least mine, that is what really leads to acne. So I don't want anything that's too heavy on the skin. I want something that has a lightweight texture that's gonna go on smoothly and still apply well underneath makeup. And now to finish off the look, we have a lip product to show you guys. So obviously we got our skincare taken care of so we can have that fresh skin, but we need a bold lip to go with it. So this one is the Half Caked Lip Fondant in Power Trip. It's a really nice red brick shade, and it's very, very pigmented. So it is a matte lip. Boom, boom, boom. There you go. I'm actually wearing it on my lips today as well. And this liquid lip has a really pillowy texture to it, so it's not gonna dry down and feel super cakey or crumbly on the lips. It just sits really nicely, and it almost fills in like little lines on your lips so that you get that very smooth matte finish. Plus it never flakes off or dries off around the sides. So it's like really amazing. And if you're not into super matte lips, you can actually do this little hack here and add on a gloss or even a balm right on top to give it a little bit of a dewy finish, but it's still gonna be a super long lasting lip color. I think this look of fresh skin and a bright lip is honestly such a mood. To me, it basically says like I'm pulled together, but I didn't try that hard and I threw on a bold lip and brought it all back together. So let us know in the comment section what it says to you. That's all we have time for this week. I'm Roxette Arisa, and thank you guys so much for watching This Week in Beauty with IPSY.